Hey Jacob, just a quick video to hopefully answer your question. So I'm here in one of my Canvas courses, and you can see that I don't have any groups assigned. If I click this plus group, I can create some group names. Let's say you wanted quizzes. Let's say maybe you wanted practice. I think that was one of the other ones. Say, you can create whatever groups you want to have. Maybe you want projects. Let's just say, and I do know that you want your groups in Canvas to match your groups in PowerSchool. So this is one way to do it. So there's those groups, and whatever assignments you have, you can just drag and drop. So you can organize your pre-existing assignments into new groups, or you can take them out of old groups. And so you can organize everything right here from your assignments tab. So hopefully that answers your question.